Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves.
G'day guys, DragonRC team driver here, Daniel, ready to do an unboxing on the FID Racing Dragon Hammer, proudly distributed by DragonRC. If you want to check out the website, dragonrc.com.au, I'll have links set up in the description as well. So we'll start obviously with the outer box. So big logo, FID Racing. You come around to one of the sides, it does say Dragon Hammer on it. See how it's big, it's bold, it's here. We'll crack her open. So it's one of those box in a box. So what we'll do, we'll take that box out of there. We'll go with the contents first. Okay, so Dragon Hammer stickers. Big spot full for the body, ready to go. Lots of packing material, very good, sturdy for shipping. You shouldn't get anything damaged in that. I'll take the packing out. Alright, we'll start with the wheels first. FID Dragon Hammer wheels. They're a little bit different than your normal Lossy wheels. As you can see in the center here, they've got a 5 points where they attach to the car, rather than just one bolt that goes into the middle, which then will stop you from breaking. The center's a lot more sturdy than what you'd actually think. The rubber on the tyre is very, very thick, very hard rubber, very, very hardy. It'd be good to get these out on track and see how they go. So you get 4 of those in the box. We'll pull out some of the roll cage now. This is just some roll cages. So this is the front part of the roll cage, is the bonnet on the Dragon Hammer, and that's one of the supporting brackets as well. And then in this piece is the front bonnet for the Dragon Hammer in its own wrapped protective packaging. Lots of packaging there. What we'll do, we'll start with this bit here. So this is the front and rear axle assembly. This is basically the 3 parts of the car. So your fuel tank's at the back. Everything's billet, all billet punched links. Everything that's billet, I think FID did. They did a really good job. As you can see, they're the hubs. Full aluminium servo saver and everything along those lines as well. Fuel line's ready to rock and roll. So that's that part of the car. Then we'll come over to the main chassis. So this is your main chassis, comes with body already assembled on it, ready to go. Obviously you've got your sticky kit there to put on if you want. It does have a protective film over the body so it doesn't get scratched. All your diffs and everything are assembled in there, pretty much ready to go, as you can see that one there. It does come with a battery indicator on it as well. It's all LED and the battery indicator just here. Your center diffs and everything are ready to go. Basically you can drop your electronics into that, your servos and your engine, and you're pretty much ready to run. Obviously the instruction manual. You can't go anywhere without it, you can't pretty much do much without this. It does have an enclosed spare parts list on the back as well. So as you can see, it's got all your part numbers, where it goes, what happens and everything along those lines at the same time. Then we'll open the little accessory box that comes in there. I did open this one a little bit earlier. This does come with the Dragon Hammer's filter and some cable ties to route lines, and also some springs for the fuel lines as well, so you can route those where you need to and they'll help hold the shape. The rest of your screws, nuts and bolts to attach it to the car. Nothing too crazy there. They do also have the servo arms and rods. They are very unique to this car. If you do need spares, you do have to get the Dragon Hammer ones from FID or dragonrc.com.au, and they do include some front spare lower arms in the box in case you're broken. So that's the unboxing of the car. We did get something else that's not included, being that we are going to be racing it for the 2019 season in Australia. We also got the race exhaust from FID Racing, which is just here in this box here. So it comes with your silicone hose, obviously heat sink for the exhaust, your gaskets, the rear upper plate clamps, and the exhaust is a two-piece exhaust. Looks very well built, looks very aggressive. Looks like it's going to do very well this year. Hopefully we can get some wins. We're going to be partnering it with our CY engine direct from Taiwan. DragonRC is a distributor for CY engines and also for, at the moment, FID Racing. If you do need a Dragon Hammer or anything along those lines, carries most 1/5 scale parts. Again, website dragonrc.com.au. We do a lot of other brands and a lot of other hobbies. We do jets as well. But like a big thank you to DragonRC for allowing me to do this unboxing. I look forward to seeing you guys on the track in the future. Goodbye.